Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. Good to see you after a long time. Today in this video, I'm going to review my new videos related to Java. I'm going to start in it, dig deeply into it. Java 8 is a major LTS version released by Oracle. LTS means long time support. As far as read, according to sources, its support is extended until at least 2030. So I will cover majorly all the topics, starting with behavior parameterization followed by lambda expressions, stream API, optional as an alternative null expressions, datetime API, and so on and so forth. We'll dig deep into it. So stay tuned. Do keep liking, watching, subscribing. #TechieMit. Surely more on to come on you for you. So stay tuned and just see what I'm going to bring more on Java 8. Bye for now.